The weighty matter of penguins. How much do these flightless birds weigh? The importance of penguin weight, flightless avian species mass. Penguins, the adorable tuxedo-clad birds, have always piqued people's interest worldwide. Penguins are known for their waddling pace and cold tolerance. However, one may wonder how much these flightless birds weigh. Please join us as we explore penguins and their diverse weights. Penguin taxonomic diversity. Before discussing penguin weights, it's important to note that there are 18 official penguin species. Each species has different traits, inhabits different settings, and has different sizes. These species inhabit the southern hemisphere, including Antarctica, South America, and Africa. Penguins vary in weight depending on their species and survival adaptations. Avian biomechanics, survival strategies. Introduction. Avian biomechanics examines how birds adapt to survive in different situations. This research explores the complex. Penguins flourish in watery environments due to their amazing adaptations. These animals' streamlined morphology, wing-like flippers, and muscular musculature allow them to move quickly through the water while aggressively pursuing their prey, mostly fish, squid, and krill. These adjustments have weight-related trade-offs. Penguin bone density is intriguing. Penguins have substantial bones that help them float in water, unlike most birds. The increased bone density adds to their heft, yet it's necessary for aquatic survival. Penguins' thick blubber insulates them from the freezing seas. Fat is essential for thermoregulation in marine mammals and contributes to their body bulk. In Antarctica, animals must maintain body temperature to survive, therefore adaptation is more noticeable. Comparative analysis, low to high mass. After learning about penguin weight adaptations, it's time to examine different species and their weights. The little blue penguin, Eudicula minor, sometimes known as the fairy penguin, is the tiniest penguin. The thing is about 13 inches tall and weighs around 2 pounds, or 1 kilogram. These little penguins live in Australia and New Zealand. Adelie penguins, Pygosceles adeliae, are medium-sized penguins that live on Antarctica and its islands. These things average 8 to 12 pounds, 3.6 to 5.4 kilograms. The African penguin, Phoeniscus demersus, lives along South Africa and Namibia's coasts. Its brain sound like a donkey makes it known as the jackass penguin. The birds weigh 5.5 to 8.5 pounds, 2.5 to 3.9 kilograms. The emperor penguin, Aptenodytes forsteri, is the largest penguin and the most famous Antarctic resident. The avian species under consideration is tall, standing at 45 inches and weighing 49 to 99 pounds. Note that males of this species are larger than females. The king penguin, Aptenodytes patagonicus, resembles the emperor penguin, but is smaller. The specimens weigh 26 to 37 pounds, 11.8 to 16.8 kilograms, and have orange spots on their heads and necks. Effects of weight variability. The weight difference between penguins is due to their ecological niche, food, chronological stage, and sexual dimorphism. Penguins in colder locations tend to grow larger and heavier to better insulate against the harsh climate. Tropical organisms often shrink to avoid overheating. Diet greatly affects penguin weight. Penguins eat fish, squid, and krill, but their availability varies by location and season. Penguins with additional food sources may be larger and heavier than those with limited diets. Age and sex affect weight variances. Due to growth and development, young penguins weigh less than adults. In several penguin species, males are larger and heavier than females. Males may compete for mates or invest more in their children, which would explain this phenomena. The theme involves conservation efforts and weight fluctuations. Human activities and environmental changes have caused many penguin population problems in recent years. Climate change, overfishing, pollution, and habitat degradation threaten penguin breeding and food resources. These changes may indirectly affect penguin weights. For instance, changes in prey abundance might alter penguin diets, which may affect their health and weight. A lack of synchronization between food supply and breeding season has led to malnourished offspring and population growth. Conservation penguin examination. Scientists and environmentalists study penguin populations to better understand their behaviors, adaptations, and challenges. Researchers can learn about community well-being and stressors by collecting penguin weight data. Satellite tagging and GPS equipment allow scientists to track penguins' movements, foraging, and migration patterns. The data helps identify important feeding and breeding habitats, enabling the creation of marine protected zones and other conservation efforts. In summary, adaptations, environment, nutrition, age, and sex affect penguin weight, which varies by species. From the small blue penguin to the stately emperor penguin, all species have evolved to survive and thrive in their natural niches. As we learn more about these avian species, we get insight into their biology and the ecological health of their environments. Examining penguins and their weights can help preserve these fascinating creatures and their complex environments for future generations. When seeing a penguin walking down the shore or gracefully navigating the water, stop and appreciate their endurance and adaptability.